Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes E-Class. We're talking about this generation right here from year 2010 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, and if you have an Srs Airbag Malfunction light, we will explain which 4 fuses control the airbag system. One of them is hidden and most people don't even know about it, and often that could be the bad one. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located. Now, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. Do not attempt anything. This is not a how-to video. Why? Because if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, working on them, removing, replacing a fuse can practically make them malfunction. They can kill you. They can hurt you guys. So consider this video for entertaining purposes only. Quick reminder for any of you working on airbag system, disconnect the car battery for 1 hour. Very important to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. We will put a special link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. Also, we will explain where you can buy cheap parts to use fuses relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stand till the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E-Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17 guys, this is the W212 guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work guys, body work, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars guys in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So if you have Srs Airbag Malfunction light, we will explain which 4 fuses control the airbag system. We'll demonstrate on that generation Mercedes E-Class. This is the pre-facelifted model, this is the facelifted model guys, but it will work for both. We have multiple fuse boxes, today we're working 2. The first one that we need is under the hood, so we'll need to open the hood. Now on the driver's side here you have a fuse box under this cover. Open it and you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So it is super important guys to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case guys you may put the fuse back together and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery, and if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that guys. But when disconnecting the car battery guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000 guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. Here, what we need to check now, okay, which fuses we need to check. 3 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check one hidden one. If you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tubes at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here what we need to check for the airbag system. Next to every fuse on the left or the right side you have a fuse number that indicates that fuse. That makes it convenient to find the one that you need. The first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 8 right here. Then you need to check fuse number 15 and fuse number 21 right here. 8, 15, 21. After that, open the hood where your jump starter positive terminal is located here. Most people don't know about that, but that's a pre-fuse box. When it's removed, look like this one. Now this is another angle, and when you open it, it will look close to that one. You may have 3 different variations depending whether you have a hybrid, whether you have a stop and go function, or a regular Mercedes E Class. That's ours, guys. But here, okay, the fuse that we need to check is known as MR8, and we're talking about this fuse right here once it's open. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.